how to add the Game Center Continue Playing widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe across and then touch on a blank spot. So touch and hold. Then tap on Edit. Next, from the pop-up, tap on Add Widget. Then in here, we scroll down. Now scroll down and then tap on Game Center. Next, you can choose a small size widget, medium size, or a larger size. So swipe to the left or to the right to change the widget size, and then go down and tap on Add Widget. Now that will get added to your home screen. Then tap on Done. Now if you tap on the widget, that will allow you to quickly open up your Games Center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.